Click on the link below to get price. The 18,000W wind generator kit is an intriguing option for those considering renewable energy solutions for home or business applications. Designed to harness wind energy, this high-efficiency 48V turbine aims to provide a reliable power source while also contributing to sustainability efforts. As the demand for alternative energy continues to grow, products like this wind generator become increasingly relevant. At first glance, the wind generator kit presents itself with a robust design, intended to withstand various environmental conditions. The turbine features a unique blade design, which is reportedly optimized for efficiency, enabling it to capture wind energy more effectively. This could potentially lead to improved energy output, particularly in areas with consistent wind patterns. Its substantial wattage of 18,000 W suggests that it is suitable for medium to large-scale applications, making it a versatile choice for both residential and commercial purposes. One notable characteristic of this wind generator is its construction materials. The turbine is typically built using corrosion-resistant components, which is particularly beneficial for maintaining performance over time, especially in harsh weather conditions. Additionally, the inclusion of a high-efficiency alternator may enhance the energy conversion process, providing users with more usable electricity while reducing energy loss. Installation appears to be straightforward, although, like many wind turbines, it may require some technical knowledge. Proper site assessment is crucial, as the efficiency of the turbine can be significantly influenced by factors such as wind speed, turbulence, and the surrounding terrain. Users should be prepared to follow specific guidelines for height and positioning to maximize the generator's potential. In terms of maintenance, the wind generator kit is designed with longevity in mind. Routine checks on the turbine's mechanical parts and electrical connections may be necessary to ensure optimal performance. Proper care can extend the life of the turbine and enhance its reliability as a power source. In conclusion, the 18,000W wind generator kit for home and business presents a compelling option for those interested in wind energy. Its features aim to provide an efficient means of generating power while promoting sustainability. Users considering this product should assess their environment, installation requirements, and maintenance needs to ensure that they can maximize the benefits of this renewable energy solution.